Hello students, welcome to my classroom where Mr. Puana is the teacher, and remember, no work, no credit, no kidding. So, you got an assignment and I'm looking at your assignment on my iPad, and here is someone that already turned it in. If it's close enough, you can see that on the top there is a circle. Okay? And all what I wanted you to do is to compare. What do you compare? 3 different things. So I'll put the iPad down and we're going to compare. What do we have here? The coordinate plane. X and Y. And all what I ask you to do is show me the linear equation, the linear function. Y is equal to mx plus b. So, that's the linear function in case that it is positive. And right here is my y-intercept. Which is b. Then I have the slope rise over run. This time it's positive. And is it a function? Yes, a function. How do I know it's a function? If I use the vertical line test, so let me use a different color. I draw a vertical line. Does it touch more than one point? No, only one point right here. Therefore, yes, it is a function. Then you had the quadratic. When you look at the quadratic equation, I still have the coordinate plane, x and y, and the quadratic equation looks like this. It could look downward. If the number in front of x squared is negative, then it looks downward. If it's positive, it goes upward. Question: is this a function? Normally, you write it like y is ax squared plus bx plus c. And then, again, I do the vertical line test. Well, remember, I have 2 parabolas here. Let's eliminate that because I'm talking about just this one. Is it a function? It touches only one point. This is not here right now, okay? So we're comparing those two. This is quadratic, this is linear. This looks like a parabola, this looks like a line. And finally, what else did you have to do? Do a circle. Deal with a circle. And when you talk about the circle, all right, let's see what we got. If you start at the origin, and your radius, let's say it's 3 units. 1, 2, 3, in all the directions. All the directions. Because you start at the origin, you're going to say x squared plus y squared. Is there anything next to x, or is it in parentheses? No, because I started at the origin. Is there anything next to y squared, or is it in parentheses? No, because I started at the origin. And then my radius is 3 this way, 3 this way, 3 this way, 3 this way. Remember, radius is the same all the way around. Now, x squared plus y squared, it's equal to the radius to the second. 3 to the second, okay? Now, is this one a function? As far as the first page you got for an assignment, This was a function. This was a function because it touches only one time. But here, when I do the vertical line test, it touches top and it touches bottom. It touches top, it touches bottom. Therefore, no, it is not a function. All right. Once you understood this, we're going to go further to the circle, and we're going to draw one more circle, and we're going to locate it at a different place, not at the origin anymore. So, I'm starting with the coordinate plane, but my location this time is, let's see, right here. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, how am I going to write the equation? I'm not going to write x squared plus y squared. I'm going to use a parenthesis, and then I'm going to say, hey, this location here is 2, 2. But remember our last lesson, we said that I'm going to say x minus 2 to the second, y minus 2 to the second, and then I'm going to decide on my radius. Let's say my radius is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, I'm going to draw the circle. Again, is this a function? No, not the function. How much is the radius? 5. So I'm going to say 5 to the second. I'm going to now come with a formula. I'm going to call this H, and I'm going to call this K. And I'm going to say my general formula is x minus h to the second plus y minus k to the second. It's equal to the radius to the second. I hope this short video explains the first lesson and the first assignment. Class is over.